Welcome to a special edition of Ask Arlington. I'm Jay Warren. We appreciate everyone wearing a mask to help us reduce the spread of COVID-19 in our community. Let's get to some questions now for Mayor Jeff Williams, Fire Chief Don Crowson, and Dr. Cynthia Simmons, the city's public health authority. How does wearing a mask help the Arlington community?
Wearing a mask means you're being kind, safe, and healthy. Governor Abbott recently announced an order mandating that all Texans wear a mask when social distancing isn't possible, and our City Council strongly supports this order. Arlington is a kind and generous community, and by wearing a mask, you're being respectful of others and helping us reduce the spread of COVID-19. And of course, Arlington is stronger together. And by wearing a mask and practicing social distancing, we're going to be able to get back to normal sooner rather than later. Let's stay Arlington strong and wear our mask when we're out in public.
Does wearing a mask help stop the spread of COVID-19?
We're 5 months into this pandemic, and it's had a huge impact on all of us. It's affected our schools, it's affected our workplaces, it's affected our social environment. We're not able to easily and freely go out and eat. And so the one way that we can continue to get back to normal and reduce the spread of this virus is by wearing masks. It's shown to be very effective. And so by wearing masks, by social distancing, by washing our hands and performing the hygiene, the simple things that we've been preaching this whole time, we can get back to normal. We can reduce the transmission of the virus and get back to normal. So don't be afraid. Put the mask on. Wear it. Cover your nose, cover your mouth, and let's reduce the transmission to get back to the lifestyle that we all love and appreciate.
How will North Texas communities work together to ensure hospital space doesn't become overwhelmed due to COVID-19 cases?
About 4 months ago here in the EOC, we met with the hospitals in Arlington and developed a contingency plan for surge capacity at the hospitals. Fortunately, we have not had to exercise that plan, but we have a significant plan that will allow for additional surge issues in the city of Arlington. Since then, across North Texas, hospitals and all the hospital systems have developed surge capacity planning, and they are prepared for surge issues. What we're trying to do is avoid the implementation of such surge strategies, and the one thing you can do as a citizen is wear a mask. It's clear that the mask will suppress the virus spread. So we're asking you to protect yourself, to protect your family, to protect your friends, and protect our community. And by wearing the mask, by exercising proper social distancing and proper hygiene, we will suppress the hospitalization growth in North Texas. If not, we'll be implementing the plans that we have in place, and we'll be prepared for that, but the preference would be that we would not see that, and the way to do that is through the cooperation of our citizens. So please be a part of the solution and help your community suppress the COVID-19 virus. Thank you.
How does wearing a mask help the Arlington business community?
By wearing a mask, you're also helping us keep our businesses open, and that's both big and small. Like many professions during COVID-19, Arlington businesses and restaurants have been forced to adapt to the new normal that we're all experiencing. And wearing a mask is essential when it comes to keeping both customers and employees safe. And even if your favorite restaurants are closed for dine-in service, I encourage you to continue to support them through online orders, delivery, and carryout. Small businesses are the backbone of the local economy, but we need to do our part to keep them open.
Be kind, be safe, and be healthy. Thank you to everyone at home for wearing a mask so we can reduce the spread of COVID-19 both here in Arlington and across the great state of Texas.